Knocked him over. What a piece of a delivery from Saim Ayub. It's pitched middle, hit off, and Abdul Samad's forward lunge wasn't able to cover the spin. This is a big moment in the game.
And this is the last wicket that fell and did not pick. Wonderful delivery, pitching on middle, hitting off, and Abdul Samad had no clue which way the ball would go after pitching. And Saim, well, he deserves it.
And talk about, what do I say about that? I just called it. Salman Ali Agha on that occasion.
Salman Ali Agha was tempted to go over the cover and played directly into the hands of Lake City Panthers. After all that hard work, he will be back in the herd. Shadab must be delighted. His part-timer is doing the rest of the damage to UMT Markhors. A big wicket. Salman Ali Agha is back. Follow wicket now comes. 1-2-5 for 7 now. This time on the onside and straight into the hands of Ahmad Butt. Flat as you like. And wicket number 3 for the golden arm of Saim Ayub.
Living dangerously, UMT Markhors. There was a premeditated shot from Zahid Mahmood. He went down on one knee. Looking at the front foot. No problems there. Went down on one knee and couldn't take that one away from Ahmad Butt's hands. Zahid Mahmood has to go. Only scored 5 runs. It's 134 for 8.
Here it comes. We were waiting for that big shot. Saim Ayub is getting underneath it and takes it cleanly in the end. First 4-4 for Saim Ayub. This man is unstoppable. Saim Ayub, the bowler for you.
I didn't think it would be possible to take the limelight from the Lake City Panthers and their pacers. But Saim Ayub has done that. He can do no wrong. Naseem Shah looking for that big shot. Use of feet down the track. Did not time it, but no mistakes whatsoever from Saim Ayub. Naseem Shah has to walk.
And an opportunity to get 5. Ball him! Saim Ayub, you beauty, take a ball. Back-to-back wickets, and first time in his listed career, he got 5 wickets in his bag. And UMT Markhors have been wrapped up in Faisalabad.
Talk about bamboozling the opposition completely. This is the lowest first inning score of the Champions Cup. Only 137 for the UMT Markhors in this all-important first playoff game. Shahnawaz Dahani looked clueless